In this video we're gonna go over the steps on how to replace a head support on a Mitsubishi. Now if you have a sedan that has a trunk with supports and the trunk is not staying up any longer on its own, then this is usually the issue, the problem, and these struts are very easy to replace, so we're going to show you in just a minute. So for this you'll need a new strut, you'll need another person to help you, and a flathead screwdriver. Take the screwdriver and just put it under this clip right here and just move this out a little bit. You don't need to remove it, but we just need to pull it out a little bit, and that comes off. Now you'll do the same thing at the bottom here. So right here we'll do the same thing. You gotta be careful with the screwdriver because it could slide and not only damage the paint, but you could injure yourself. So that's it. It's off. Now when you take the new strut support, you don't need to move these clips out anymore. But all that you'll need to do in this case is you take it, you line it up, and then just push it in. That's it. And you come line that up, push that in, and that's it. Very simple. Thank you for watching.